Holy shnikes. The park is a disaster zone, guys. Branches everywhere. I feel at home in my park. I think this summer what we're going to do is we're going to bring a piece of lumber with us. Maybe a fold-out ramp or something to lean against the rocks over there. And now that they got this finished, I could probably shoot across this field and make a jump out of one of those things. Or down here. That way I don't go flying into a tree, guys. Scoping the park out today. Figured it'd be a little too messy to run the car in here. Let them pick it up and